Have you ever heard about Europe's last primeval forests? Do you know where you can find them? In this video, we would like to bring a country for you to show where you can see Europe's last jungle. That is Bosnia and Herzegovina. It is a country located in the south and southeast of Europe. It is a predominantly mountainous country, and about 53% of the country's area is still covered by forests. Bosnia and Herzegovina is a country with the largest forested area and the greatest forest diversity in the Western Balkans. Generally, about 90% of the forest landscape is natural forest with the great diversity of 3 species, and about 10% is man-made forests which are resulted from afforestation. Large-scale afforestation in Bosnia began after the Second World War, and the oldest man-made forest in Bosnia is about 77 years old now. The forest landscape in Bosnia can generally be divided into 4 groups, such as high forests, coppices, barelands, and unprotected areas. High forests represent the largest share of the forest, covering about 46% of the country. Coppices are about 34% of the landscape. Main species in high forests are oak, beech, Norway spruce, Sevia fir, Scotch, and black pine. Some common species in coppices are beech and oak. The average growing stock of Bosnian forests is about 137.5 cubic meter per hectare, and the mean volume increment is about 3.78 cubic meter per hectare. The annual allowable cut of the forest is dependent on the growth of the forest. In Bosnia, there are 2 main forest management systems. The first one is the single tree selection system, and the second one is the group selection system. Any operation in the forest is simply done by the removal of the trees which are ready to harvest. All the operations which are done in the forest must be as close to nature as possible. So the harvesting operation in the Bosnian forest is mostly done with cable skidders. Harvesting with animals such as horses, oxen, and bulls are also used, especially where there are no forest roads for skidders. Overall, the conversion of coppices to high forests and afforestation of barelands are a high priority when conserving the remaining natural virgin forests in Bosnia.